Fans hope that Lionel Messi will play in the 2026 World Cup. The Argentine Football Association AFP has granted Messi's participation in the 2026 World Cup. In an interview, the organization marketing director Lindro Peterson claimed that the Argentina captain will play in the upcoming World Cup to be held in the United States, Canada and Mexico. Many thought that Lionel Messi might retire from the national team after the Qatar World Cup. That didn't happen, and he hasn't made it clear where he will stop. It seems like another World Cup is just around the corner, and so there are regular discussion about the possibility of Messi playing there. Although it has not said anything specific on the matter until now. The Argentina Football Association has now clarified its position. In an interview given in Dubai, the AF's marketing director claimed that Argentina football is planning around Messi for the 2026 World Cup.